Hi guys! So, bago lang ako nag-post ng video guys. Nag-post ako a while kanina sa Facebook. And nag-post naman yun. Okay, so, at meron akong dalawang flower na seed, tas tapos pa. Pero, unsa ko lang yan siya open. Para excited na. It's a scoring but I'm gonna sell it. Wala na I don't know how to speak. Okay, yun. Magkuan ako sell ko yung mga gamit. Wait lang. Okay, so, let's go. Oh yeah, hindi ko na-sell, no? So, I'm so excited to open this flower seed pack has, excited lang. Baka makakuha ako ng wow. I got the picture. I'm gonna wait now. Wala akong seed pack. Uy, si Yuri Kupal. Hey, bro. Yuri. Ako talaga may seed pack. Kasi pa makuan ko. Oh my God. May dalawa lang sabi. Pero gusto ko marami yung mga five. Just one girl. So I just this lang good. 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 Because Hydra seed. Why do I don't have any seed? Babe, gusto ko ng seed. Kasi hindi mo yung mabibigay. So, i-open ko na lang ko sa hindi na kasi ako. Hindi ako makahintay. Dalawa lang to bigay. Kamu muna yung oon. Kamu sa una mo pan-out. Let's go. Let's go. I was in Cheryl. No! It is a rose and that wasn't my favorite. Oh, fox glove. First, itatanim ko muna yung rose. Second is a fox glove. Let's go. At least I got a fox glove. I don't know what so excited. Now I'm the excited part, the fox glove. I don't know what is that, but I think it's gonna be big. So I'll give him a big space, but I don't have any big space anymore. Oh yeah, right here. Napagay. Pero makunin siya. Dito. Hi. Dito na nga. Oh my God. Let's see how much it works. Oh, Layla. I'm not messing around. I need to see. Girl, please, girl. How much is this one, girl? To sell my inventory. Okay, inventory. To my garden. Why is the lilac actually? I'm excited to see the lilac today. Where's the lilac? Girl, I'm sure I put it right there. What's up?
Dali ba?